Hi Michael, this is how you're gonna reset your maintenance. Okay, let's do it. So when you're on this page, you go information, you go vehicle status monitoring, and then you go to vehicle maintenance settings. Then your reset intervals, you hit reset. Now that it's reset, what you want to do is go here, make sure it's manual. So if it's automatic, change it to manual, and then you go here, and all I'm doing is using this for everything. You go ahead and do year 2025, month. Since we want this to remind you in September, we're going to go 9, so September. And then the day, you can leave it on 1, and then you push this, you go back. Then now you go down here, push in, and then go on 3,500 miles like this. And then now that little thing should go away. Let me know if you still have questions, or if you want me to walk you through it. I'll talk to you soon, and take care of yourself. Say hi to everybody. Bye bye.